Hi, let's go over the next worksheet. Number one, different rose plants are grown in a greenhouse for 2 months. The number of flowers in each bush is counted at the end of the experiment. Independent variable here would be the type of rose bush. Dependent variable would be the number of flowers on the rose bush. Again, cause and effect. 2, you watered 3 sunflowers with salt water. Each plant receives a different concentration of salt solutions. The fourth plant receives pure water. After 2 weeks, the height is measured. The independent variable here is the amount of salt water. The dependent variable here is the height of the plant. In the control group, that is the plant that gets the normal conditions or the no treatment conditions, which in both of these cases would be the fourth plant that receives pure water. Number 3, redwood plants are kept at different humidities in a greenhouse for 12 weeks. One tree is left outside. The height of the trees is measured. So the independent variable here, sorry, this is a repeat from before, is the different humidity levels, the amount of humidity. The dependent variable is the height of the trees measured. And the control group is the normal situation, the part of the experiment that's got the normal conditions, which is the tree that's left outside in normal conditions. Number 4, the pea plant is given different amounts of water, and the fourth pea plant does not receive any extra water. It's just natural receiving water. The independent variable is the amount of water. The dependent variable is the height of the pea plant. And the control group is the fourth pea plant that doesn't receive any extra water. Again, that's the normal situation. That's our control group, and we're going to compare to that. Number 5, sorry, this is a repeat from the notes. We've got goldfish, and so the independent variable is the amount of food. The dependent variable is the fish's weight. And the control group here is the normal situation, which is the tank of goldfish that are fed the normal amount of food, which is once per day. Number 6, you decide to clean your room, your bathroom, and you see green slime. You think that adding lemonade juice is going to get rid of that. So you spray half the shower with lemonade juice and the other half with water. After 3 days, there's no change in the appearance of green slime. The independent variable here is what you're changing, which is the lemonade juice. The dependent variable is the amount of green slime, and the control group is the normal situation, which is the half of the shower that's just sprayed with water. Number 7. Let's just go through the answers here. The independent variable is something about throwing the clothes or how you're throwing the clothes. The dependent variable is the visibility of the floor. The control group is the part that there is a normal situation or the part that doesn't receive the treatment. I think the best control here is the third of the room where you just leave the clothes on the floor, because you don't normally throw your clothes around your room. So that would probably be the control group. The last one, you're going to test the size of the soccer ball with how easy it is to juggle. The independent variable here is going to be the size of the soccer ball, and the dependent variable is going to be the number of seconds that you keep the ball in the air. And just to talk about constants, some constants you would have would be the fact that you can use your feet, knees, and head. You would probably try to do it in the same location, the amount of light, and that sort of thing. So anyway, that's that.